In this video, we will see how to create a reset button in Tableau in order to reset all the filters at once. For that, I'm going to use Tableau Public, and I have already created one dashboard with 4 filters and 3 sheets. The first sheet is sales by subcategory. The second one is profit by subcategory, which is a tree map, and following that we have a line chart with sales and profit by order date. Let me explain why do we need a reset button. Here let me apply all the filters one by one once. So we will remove office supply. Let me apply this. Now let me apply the product name filters. We will remove some 4 selections from the top and let us apply this one. And now let me apply one segment filter. Now let me remove the same day from the ship mode. Apply this. Now I have applied all the filters on the dashboard. Now as a user, we wanted to go back to the initial view where we have all the filters applied as all. That is, product name should be all, segment should be all, and ship mode should be all. But from the user perspective, now without the reset button, how user will do that is by clicking on this reset button for each filters, or else user will have to come here and click on all and then click on apply for every filters one by one. So this is tedious when considering bigger dashboards. So instead of this, we can actually create a reset button where we can click on the reset button and it will reset all the filters at once. We don't have to go to each individual filters and reset it. We will click on the reset button and it will reset all the filters at once. So let us create the same. So let me create a new sheet and we will create a new calculated field. Okay, create a new calculated field. Let me name that calculated field as reset filter. And here I am going to create a text which is reset text. Apply, then click on OK. Now let me drag this reset field which I have created into the text box. Now we have this reset text which is displaying on this worksheet. Also let me rename this sheet as reset. Now let us go back to dashboard. Let me drag this reset to the dashboard. Let me keep it over here. Now we are going to make use of the feature called as action on the dashboard to implement the reset button. For that, click on dashboard and we will use the option called as actions. Now we have to add a new action which is a filter action based on which we will reset the filters. And let us name the action as reset filters. Source sheet will be the reset sheet. So let us deselect all other sheets. We only want reset as the source sheet. Now run action on when selecting the particular sheet, and the target sheet should be all other sheets except the reset one. So will be profit by subcategory, sales and profit by order date, and sales by subcategory. All these 3 will be affected by the reset selection. And after clearing the selection, the filters should show all values. So we have to select the second option. Now we have to select the filters which should be reset based on the reset selection. So the first field is category. The second field is product name. The third one is ship mode. And the fourth one is segment. Now we can click on OK. Now we have created a filter action which will reset the filters. Now let us try to see the same. Okay, we have the reset sheet. Let me select some filter combination. So we'll remove furniture from here. From the product name, let us remove the first 4 combination values. Click on apply. From the segment, we will remove corporate. Click on apply. And now from the ship mode, remove the same day option or the value. Now we have some custom selection on all the filters on the dashboard. Now when we wanted to reset the filters and when we wanted to go back to the initial view where we have all values in all the filters, but the only thing we have to do here is click on the reset button. Simply click on this Now it will reset all the filters at once and will take us to the view where we had all values in all the filters. So thanks for watching, and if you like the video, subscribe our channel. Thank you.